Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to link a page in your Webflow website to another page. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of the options that you can access in Webflow. As you can see, we have the Webflow options right here, and here you can see our Webflow websites that we have created right here. We even have the option to go ahead and create a new website if we want, but for today's video guys, we're going to go ahead and be using this website right here that I have created called YouTube Tutorials. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the website by clicking on it right here and clicking on Open Designer, and now this will open up the website in the page. So let's wait up for it to load, and after loading up you can see that now this has opened up the website, and if you look at the left and right side of the screen you will see the options to edit your website. At the left side of the screen you have the option to go ahead and add new elements to your page. You can even manage your components, your website settings and so on. And the right side of the screen you have the option to go ahead and edit and style those components and elements so that you can determine how they look like. You have the style option, you have your element settings and so on. So guys, let's go back to the website itself. The first thing we have to do guys, there are a couple of ways that you can link to other pages, but I'm going to be showing you a very basic one. So what you can do is go ahead and click on the add elements option right here. Go ahead guys and click on add elements, and then we're going to scroll down until we find the option which is the button. So let's go ahead and scroll down until we find this basic option right here. As you can see, under basic we have the option called button. We can even select the link block, but the button is easier because if you add a button, let's go ahead and click on it. As you can see, now we have added a button to our website. Let's name it link to page. And after naming the button guys, let's go ahead and edit the options. As you can see, there is an option right here to link to a URL. But what we're going to do is to go ahead and click your page. So we're going to go link a page and then choose what page we want to link it to. We're going to link it to contact page, and as you can see, now we have successfully created a button that will lead the user to another page. So when they click on this button right here, they will go to the contact page automatically. So yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.